Tonight we're going to take this pile of parts and pieces and make some foot pedals finally for the forge press, so stay tuned. So I'm not sure what I was thinking here when I made these tabs straight up and thought that would work, but that's not going to work if you're putting foot pedals on your forge press because it doesn't have enough range of motion. You need something that's going to come up and give some slack, because what I'm doing here, I'm doing a 2-pedal system on cables. So when I push this one down, this one will pick up. And vice versa, when I push this one down, this one will pick up. So the way I rectified my mistake, which like I said, I have no idea why I thought that would work. I just made a longer piece, we welded it on, it sticks out, and that has plenty of room to do what it needs to do. So we're gonna keep moving. I've been threatening to make a set of foot pedals for that forge press since the day we finished it and turned it on, and boy, that's going to be kind of nice. So the tap that I had for the 5/16 18 threads is busted. It's the only tap broken in that entire set. It's broken. So I was going to make a rod coupler there so that I could tap this and screw it on so we still had use of the hand lever. All I'll do tomorrow when I'm in the big city around here, I'll pick up a 5/16 18 thread rod coupling. We'll thread that and we'll get it on, and then we'll have the hand functions also. Because the foot pedals are going to be nice for heavier stuff, but fine work when I want to move real fast. The hand lever is really nice. So I had to watch what foot I set that up for. The right foot, I can only tip it back about that much, whereas the left foot, I can go way back. You know, that's just a result of the injury a few years ago. So it went on the left side, which that means as I'm using it, I'm going to be putting all the weight on the bad leg. So we will see. Jumbling my words tonight. It's been a long day. I did almost hit a moose this morning on the way to work. That was cool. But anyway, we'll have to see how that plays out for us as we go. It's going to be one of those things where I may not even use the foot pedal a whole ton, but it's nice to have the option, especially if we're working with heavier stuff, and it's kind of nice to have two hands holding the workpiece, because believe it or not, when you're holding it out, 18, 24 inches from your body and trying to run, it's hard to hold it steady on some of the heavier pieces. At least it is for me. Maybe I'm just not a real man. No comments on that, guys. No comments, especially you, Mike Hegdahl. None. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this and this return with a vengeance to the video work and the shop work. Hope you guys are enjoying it. So I'll see you on the next one.